na kajing the jong labba hakini kisngi bala late ka state disaster management authority kama de kajing du ke bakraw habaya day bat kajing julor kajing te ong u commissioner bat secretary ka revenue bat disaster management u Sanjay Goyal Indre ula ong pat ba ka Sorkar jila kala Pynkhreh Pura banye khunye kino kajing ja ki bala banmi na kajing juro slap hakajila Abai itu ba katnat ka don ka jingi trailang ka bajan bat ki deputy commissioner katnat ka bu ka pisa ka babiang bat ki deputy commissioner ban telakam ya kino ki jingjia.
In terms of the other damages, if you're talking about these things, so we as has been I think we have already had a meeting with the level of Honorable Chief Minister wherein he has assessed the damage part also as well as the condition of this thing. Initially, these around 2.5 weeks time, we have had more than the normal rainfall, which is roughly around 50-60% normal. But overall, I believe with these small patches in between wherein we don't get rainfall, the rainfall, as we have been telling earlier, that it is going to be normal or slightly above the normal. As far as the damages are concerned, we have lost 2 lives as has been reported already by you people, and the government has been very prompt in ensuring the ex gratia relief payment to the next of the kin as per the norms, and a few damages to the houses also wherein the directions have been given to the deputy commissioner to release the funds within 48 hours. It will be difficult to assess as on just 3 weeks or 4 weeks into the monsoon whether the damage or the intensity is more than the last year or not. We have to wait for some more time, but yes, what I can say at this moment is that the government and the department is fully prepared. We are in continuous touch with the deputy commissioners. Requisite adequate amount of fund has been placed with the deputy commissioners as advance to handle any kinds of emergency, whether it is been loss of life or loss of property. And we have taken upon ourselves to release this relief at the shortest possible time, maybe within 48 hours to 72 hours is what we are trying to do. And let me tell you that during this last these eventualities which have happened, we were in a position to release the funds in that time frame. We have huge losses in terms of the damage to our transformers because of the lightning, and damage to our lines, basically the all categories, 33 kV lines, 11 kV lines, as well as LT lines because of the high wind. I don't have the figures right now in terms of kilometers of line and all, but it was quite extensive, and as I mentioned, we have restored it, and I'll be in a position to share you the figures if you want the figures maybe in a few days time when the department is ready, the MECL is ready with the exact figures in terms of loss.